Imagine a financial world where your money actually works for you, not the other way around. Have you ever wondered if a budgeting tool can truly make a difference? Today, we're diving into the world of YNAB, a popular personal finance app that claims to transform your relationship with money. But does YNAB actually move your money? Let's find out. The YNAB myth. One of the biggest misconceptions about YNAB is that it's a financial institution that moves your money. Spoiler alert, it's not. YNAB is a budgeting tool, not a bank. It's designed to help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and develop healthy spending habits. So, how does YNAB work? Think of YNAB as your personal financial coach. It helps you become more mindful of your spending by guiding you through a simple yet effective budgeting process. Here's how it works. Categorize your income. YNAB encourages you to divide your income into categories like housing, food, transportation, and savings. This helps you visualize where your money is going. Assign money to expenses. Once you've categorized your income, you'll assign specific amounts to each category. This is where the zero-based budgeting concept comes into play. You're essentially telling YNAB how much you can spend in each area. Track your spending. As you spend money, you'll update YNAB to reflect your transactions. This helps you stay on top of your budget and avoid overspending. The power of zero-based budgeting. The core of YNAB's effectiveness lies in its zero-based budgeting approach. By assigning all of your income to specific categories, you're ensuring that every dollar has a purpose. This helps you avoid debt. If you're spending more than you earn, YNAB will immediately show you a red flag. This encourages you to make adjustments to your spending habits before debt becomes a problem. Save more. By setting aside money for savings goals, YNAB helps you prioritize your financial future. Whether you're saving for a down payment on a house or an emergency fund, YNAB can keep you on track. Reduce stress. Having a clear understanding of your finances can significantly reduce financial stress. YNAB provides you with the tools and insights you need to make informed decisions about your money. Is YNAB right for you? While YNAB can be a powerful tool for many people, it's important to note that it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're someone who struggles with budgeting, YNAB can provide you with the structure and accountability you need to take control of your finances. However, if you're already a disciplined saver and spender, you may not find YNAB as beneficial. So, does YNAB move money? No, it doesn't. But what it does do is empower you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By providing you with a clear and effective budgeting framework, YNAB can help you make smarter spending decisions, save more money, and reduce financial stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.